In today's video, I will show you how to use AI tools in HubSpot. First, log into your HubSpot account and open the dashboard. From here, go to the settings menu in the top right corner and find the AI option. Next, turn on the switch that says Give users access to generative AI tools and features. This enables HubSpot's AI-powered tools for your account. You can also choose whether to allow AI access to CRM data, customer conversations, and file data so it can give more personalized results. After that, explore the AI tools available inside HubSpot. You can use AI to generate list filters by simply describing what data you want. It will automatically create the correct logic for you. You can also use AI to write email subject lines, preview text, and marketing content to improve engagement and save time. These tools help you automate tasks, improve productivity, and create more effective marketing campaigns with less effort. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our channel.